Sure.
Yes.
So these are two cases what we have got in the beta. For the conditions, looping for the given conditions, you got how to calculate the angles. It's very, very important. So please try to practice as many number of times as it is possible, because it will take some time to remember these conditions and try to do the numericals. Okay, na?
Yes.
Sure. Okay. Give a star mark on this one and write this point beta. See this one. Yeah. Say a point mass m is rotated in a vertical plane with constant speed, with your constant speed, that is v, in a circle of radius r. It's in a circle of radius r. Okay, so that is a condition right now. What is the condition? With constant speed. This is important here right now. Okay, so the condition, point m is being rotated. We are taking one point here right now, and it is rotated in a vertical plane with a constant speed v in a circle of your radius r. So in this one, point number 1, in this case, law of conservation of mechanical energy is not valid. Okay, no? So in this case, law of mechanical energy is not constant, is not valid, because the particle is moving with what velocity beta? Constant velocity part of relation. Now see here, if it is, that is the case right now, that means velocity at lowest position enta untundana? Same. At highest position kuda enta untundi? Same. Ante kada?
Yes.
Here the velocity at lowest position is v, and highest position is also your v. Anywhere in this one, if this is your radius, at this position also the velocity is your v, and this is your conditions. So at everywhere the velocity is same kabatti, I can write T max is equals to m into v square divided by r plus of your m into your g, plus of your m into g. Then T minima is equals to your m into, this one is also again v square by r minus of your m. అప్పుడు ఏమైపోతుంది చూడు, T max divided by T minima is equals to, everywhere v is getting cancelled. So in this one today ఏమైపోతుంది, one is v square, sorry, mass will get v square plus this will become for me g into r divided by this one is v square minus of g into r. So this will be the relation. Antena?
Yes.
Difference in maximum minimum velocity will become how much beta? So this is your second point right now. So in this case, law of conservation of mechanical energy is not valid, and this is your second case. In second case, the ratio of T max by T minima is v square plus gr divided by v square minus of your g into your r. And point number 3, difference in their tensions. Difference in maximum and minimum tensions. ఎంత అవుతుంది చెప్పు సారీ. So this is T max, difference అంటున్నాం కాబట్టి T max minus of your T minimum will be equal to your how much? ఇది చూడు, ఇది రాస్తాం కదా, T max వాల్యూ ఇది కదా, u square by u square plus gr minus u square minus gr.
Minus, sir, gr and gr cancel అయిపోతుంది. ఒక్క నిమిషం,
ఈ max ఇది cancel అయిపోతుంది కదా. mv square by r, mv square will get cancelled. This minus and this will become plus kabatti this will become for me 2 times of your mg. Antena?
Yes sir.
So T max minus T minima will become how much for me? 2 times of your m into g. Antena? Or times of 2 times of gr kuda raskochu. Ante kada?
Yes sir.
So I can say here change in kinetic energy enta avutundi evarani cheptara? Change in kinetic energy, initial velocity ante, final velocity kuda ante, ante change in kinetic energy will be 0.
Okay, same.
Half into m
Yes.
into v square minus half into m into v square.
Yes, sir.
Final minus of your initial. Then what is the given condition right now? This is a condition. Okay, na?
Yes.
Let us try to do one question. Record outundi kada?
Yes, sir. Awesome.
Okay, chalo. If u is equals to under root of 6g into r, find velocities, comma, tension at a point A, B, C, D, and E shown in circle, vertical circle. Also find tangential acceleration, comma, centripetal acceleration, and net acceleration at all points. Nearly 10 questions, then okate problem lo script chesanu.
Yes.
So only thing is this value might be changing for different situations, but almost all like nearly how many questions? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 questions have been incorporated in one single question. If u is equals to under root of your 6gr, find velocities, tension at a point of your A, B, C, D. Okay, we need to calculate velocities also. Ante 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 velocities, 5 tensions. And
8 questions, sir.
5 means 10, 11, 12, 13. Mottam 13 questions ఉన్నాయి దీంట్లో. We need to
Okay, 13
calculate
years.
acceleration, centripetal acceleration, and net acceleration at all the points part of relation. And this is the given figure for you. I'm giving you the figures here. This one is your figure. Okay. This is your radius. Okay. So this is your point A. Here the velocity which I have given is u is equals to under root of your 6g into r. Okay, then I'm going to this condition right now here up to here, this one. So this one is your A, and this point is coming here right now. This is one point like say B, this is one point like C, this one is like say one point of your D, and this point is right now say for example E. And this angle I'm giving you it as of your 60 degrees, and this angle I'm giving you as of your 30 degrees. Okay, na? So we need to, initial velocity is given how much for me beta? Under root of your 6g into your r part of relation. Okay, that means at A theta is how much beta? 0. At B theta is how much? 60. At C theta is how much? 90. At D theta is how much? 120. At E the theta is how much? 180 degrees. Antena?
Yes.
Chalo, I'll make the condition here itself. See, just changing the orientation.
Landscape and
Enana?
screen landscape and
They just అంటే నాకు కొంచెం బాక్స్ డ్రా చేసుకోవాలా వీలైతుంది నాకు. ఓకే, కావడం లేదు. చూడు, ఫస్ట్ కండిషన్ ఉన్నాను, theta is equals to 0 degrees. Okay, then theta is equals to 60 degrees. Then theta is equals to 90 degrees. Then theta is equals to 120 degrees. And lastly, theta is equals to how much? 180 degrees. So this is for point A, this is for point B, this is for point C, this is for point D, and this is for point A. What we need here right now? Velocities. First one is I need velocities. Then I need tensions. Then I need tensions. Then I need tangential acceleration. Tangential acceleration is formula G into sin theta. Tension formula వచ్చేసి T is equals to m into v square by r ప్లస్
N bar.
mg ఇంటూ కాస్ థీటా కనిపిస్తుందా?
Yes. Yes, sir.
దాని తర్వాత centripetal acceleration AC will be equal to v square divided by r. Then net acceleration కావాలి. A net is equals to how much beta? Under root of your, this will become for me AT square plus of your AC square. అంతే కదా?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now theta is equals to 0. I'm writing the answer with your red pen చూడు. Theta is equals to 0. Velocity ఎంత నన్న? ఇక్కడ velocity already ఇచ్చాడా? I need not write that one. So this one is under root of your 6g into your r. At point B, what will be the velocity? What will be the velocity at your point B part deflection? Because theta is how much for me? 60 degrees.
60 degrees. Yes, sir.
What is the formula I told you right now? Velocity at that given condition. At any position, I can calculate by the basic standard formula for the given condition at any angle. Theta formula ఎంత చెప్పాను చూడు ఒకసారి. Velocity at any position. ఎక్కడ రాయనా? నేను ఫార్ములా అక్కడ రాయడానికి టైం లేదు నా దగ్గర. నేను ఇక్కడే రాస్తాను, లేకపోతే రెడ్ పెన్ తో ఇట్ విల్ బి మోర్ కన్వీనియంట్. Velocity at any angle theta will be equal to your under root of, ఇంతకుముందు కూడా చాలా సార్లు రాశాను,
Okay,
u
U
square
square. Yes, sir. U square.
into this
2g
one is nothing
into
but
1 minus
r
R
into 1
1
minus
minus
cos.
cos theta. Yes.
Okay, na? Now take the value of cos theta value is equals to 60 beta. Cos 60 is how much?
1 by 2, sir.
1 by 2. అంటే 1 minus 1 by 2 is 1 by 2.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
So
1 by 2.
in initial velocity ఎంత? This one is u కదా. Initial velocity is this one. అంటే 6gr.
6gr minus 2gr. 4gr. 4gr.
half కదా. 1 minus 1 by 2 is half. ఈ half వెళ్ళిపోతుంది కదా ఇక్కడ.
Sir. So 5gr, sir.
Yeah. Okay, this will become for me how much? 5gr
Yes, sir.
under root of 5g into r. Then cos 90. Cos 90 means this one is how much? 0. This
0.
one is
Yes,
6
sir.
minus 2, 4. That means under root of your 4g into r. అర్థమైందా?
Yes, sir.
On cos 120 is how much beta? Minus 1 by 2.
Yes, sir.
Minus 1 by 2 means it will become 3 by 2. So this is your 3 by 2. So 2
Yes,
gets
sir.
cancelled.
2 get cancelled.
So 6
3gr.
minus 3, it will
Over
be equal to
3gr.
under root of 3g into r. అర్థమవుతుందా?
Yes, sir. Got it, sir. But it's
Theta 180
decreasing by
degrees. Yeah. So theta value is how much? Theta value is 180
minus
kada.
1.
But 180 cos 180 is minus 1.
Minus 1.
Minus this will become for me plus. This will become 4. Avuna
Yes,
kada.
sir.
This one is 6 kada. Initial
2gr.
velocity.
Root over 2gr.
Minus 4
Over
that will
6.
be equal to under root of 2g into
2g.
r. I hope you got it.
Yes, sir. It's decreasing with the pattern.
Yeah. So I hope that is your first question answer. వచ్చేసింది అనుకుంటాను.
Yes, sir.
So this one is first one. Over.
Yes, sir.
చలో నెక్స్ట్ వన్కి ఆన్సర్ చెప్పుకుందాం చెప్పు ఇప్పుడు. నెక్స్ట్ వన్ టెన్షన్ కదా. టెన్షన్ ఎట్ ద టీటా ఇస్ ఈక్వల్స్ టు 0 ఎంత అవుతుంది చెప్పు. ఇక్కడ వెలాసిటీ ఎంత? 6gr.
Yes, sir.
టీటా వాల్యూ ఎంత? 0.
Yes,
6
sir.
6 ప్లస్ దిస్ వన్
by r. 6g, sir.
ఎంత అయితే 6g కాదు నాన్న. వెలాసిటీ ఇస్ హౌ మచ్ ఫర్ మీ? v స్క్వేర్ ఇస్ 6g ఇంటూ r. ఈ r వెళ్ళిపోయిందా? సో 6mg plus mg. Theta value is how much? 0. Cos 0 is how much? 1 kada. So 6 plus 1, that will be 7 kada.
Okay, 7 mg.
So this will be tension at a point theta. At point A, it will be equal to how much for me? 7 times of your mg. Theta is equal to 60 degrees. Theta is equals to 60 degrees. That means cos 60. Cos 60 is how much? 1 by 2. Avuna kada. So this will become for me how much? V square is equals to 6gr. Ante 6 times of your mg plus 3 by 2. That means this will become for me how much? 11 by 2 times of your mg. Vachinda?
Yes, sir.
నేను రాయను ఇక్కడ, అవసరం లేదు కదా.
వచ్చింది sir.
చలో నెక్స్ట్ వన్ 90. cos 90 ఎంత?
0, sir.
దిస్ వన్ ఈజ్ 0. వెలాసిటీ ఎంత ఉంది మన దగ్గర ఇక్కడ?
6gr. So 6 mg.
6gr ఎంత అవుతుంది అప్పుడు?
6 mg, sir. Because 0
ఎంత అవుతుంది అన్న? టెన్షన్
So
is
6
equals to m into v square by r plus m into cos. Cos 90 is how much? 0 కదా. 0 అయిపోతుంది. వెలాసిటీ is 6g into r.
Yes, sir.
ఎంత అవుతుంది చూడు?
6gr. Sir, it will be 6gr only, sir, because cos theta is 0. And then 6 mg. 6 mg.
No, beta. See, a theta
Sir,
is equals to 90 degrees. What is the velocity?
okay, it's 4 gr. Yes, sir.
4 gr. Theta is 60 degrees. What is the velocity? Root 5 gr. This values you need to substitute there,
Yes, sir.
isn't it?
Yes, sir.
This will become for me how much for me? 4 times of your mg,
Yes, sir.
isn't it? Now here again you substitute cos 120. Cos 120 is minus 1 by 2. Minus 1 by 2. Velocity is 3 gr.
Yeah.
So RR will get cancelled. So 3 mg. This will be minus of your mg by 2. So that means
Yes,
this will
sir.
become for me 5 by 2 times of your mg.
Yes. Yes, sir.
The next one is
Here
under root
also
of
one
2
part.
gr. 2 gr and cos 180 is minus 1. 2 minus 1, it will be 1. That means it will be equal to mg.
Yes, sir.
అర్థమైందా?
Yes, sir.
క్లారిటీ వచ్చిందా? మరోసారి చెప్పనా?
That's sir. I was confused taking velocity that time.
I hope now you got it everything.
Yes.
Chalo. Now go for the next one, beta. Tangential acceleration. I hope now you can do this one. G into
Yes,
sine 0 is how much? 0 kada?
0. Yes.
So at 0.8 will become for me 0. Theta is equal to 60. That will become for me how much?
1 by 2. G by 2.
60. Root 3 2 times of G kada?
60. Yes. Yes.
Then 90. Sine 90 is how much? 1. That means it will
G.
become for me G. Then cos 120, sine 120 equal to your 68. And this will become for me how
Okay,
much?
man.
Root 3 G divided by 2.
2. Yes.
Okay na? దాని తర్వాత
Yes.
sin 180 0.
0.
So this will be okay. వచ్చిందా?
Yes.
Now AC is equals to V square by R. At theta is 0. Velocity is how much for me?
6
This one.
gr, sir.
That
6
means
g,
6
sir.
gr divided by R. That means it will become for me 6G.
6 g. Yes.
The next one is 5G.
5 g. 4 g.
Next one is 4G.
4 g.
Next one is
3G.
3G. Next one is
2
2G.
g. Yes.
Then net will be equal to how much? You know 80 and AC. 80
Yes,
value
sir.
is equal to 0. This one is
0.
6. That means this will become for me 6G.
Yes, sir.
Under root kada.
Yes, sir.
So next one is equals to how much for me? Under root of 80 square plus AC square. 80 is how much? Root 3 by 2 G whole square plus 5G whole square.
By 4.
Calculate చేసుకుంటావు కదా?
Yes, sir.
It is
Yes,
under
sir.
80 value is root 3 by 2 G whole square plus this one is of your 5G whole square. So that means this one is 3G square divided by 4 plus 5 5 is 25 into G square. It is under root. So LCM of this one is how much better? Under root of your 3 by 4 plus of your 25. G value ne badi iskocheshe. So 3 by 5, 3 by 4 plus 25. What is an LCM for this one you see?
4, sir.
So 4. Ante 4. We'll simplify this one. Sir, we will be getting 103 times of G divided by 4. Okay, na? Next one is we'll get under root of 17 times of your G. Next one I'll get under root of your 39 by 4 into your G. You can check the calculations better there.
Yes,
And
sir.
here we'll
I'll
be
do,
getting
sir.
okay, na?
Yes, sir.
I hope you're clear with this one.
Yes, sir.
వచ్చేసింది కదా పక్కా?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Got almost a very lot number of questions in this one. ఒకటే క్వశ్చన్ లో అన్ని చేసుకున్నాము. So please practice this one, you will get an idea. And this formulas you should be remember like beta. You try to write this
Yes,
formulas
sir.
in the vertical circle anywhere on your wall and try to keep it every time because you can't
Yes.
remember, you can't forget that one. T max ఎట్లా T minimum ఎంత కాన్స్టెంట్ వాల్యూస్ ఖచ్చితంగా గుర్తు పెట్టుకోవాలి నాన్న at any cost. Okay na?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Last I think in 2019 there was a direct question on this one beta. Vertical circle పైన చిన్న క్వశ్చన్ ఇచ్చాడు మీకు డైరెక్ట్ గా సర్క్యులర్ మోషన్ పైన. Then we'll try to do the problem based on this one in the tomorrow session of your class.
Yes.
Okay. So we'll try to go for the problem practice on the vertical circular motion. Then we'll try to start with your rotational mechanics. Okay. And for
Yes.
rotational mechanics, you don't try to miss any class beta because it is a tough chapter in the first year. Mechanics la annitikante tough chapter ante rotational mechanics and center of mass. So you have lot of applications in that one because complete physics will come in the center of mass and as well as of your rotational mechanics. whatever you have learned till now from vectors to your work power energy, that every concept will come in your rotational mechanics beta. So please don't try to miss the classes. If you're not able to follow, you please try to ask me n number of times and try to clarify your doubts and make your concepts very clear in the rotational mechanics. Okay, na?
Yes. Okay, sir.
Okay, chalo then. Take care.
Yes, sir. Thank you. Bye, sir.